Hey guys, this is your traveler friend Amit Mishra and you're watching Amit Traveler. In this video I'm gonna show you guys the must visit places of Vienna. This is my first day and I'm at Schloss Belvedere in Vienna. This is hardly 10 minutes walk from Central Station. As usual, I'm exploring the city on foot so I can enjoy the city as well. This is Nash Market, a must visit place with lots of open restaurants to eat. So when in Vienna, do visit to the Nash Market. There are lots of shopping stuff here that you can do. Also some spices and dry fruits cooked in different flavors. Do try some spare ribs and avocado salad for sure. Told me just now.
What
In Hindi, what you said just now?
Namaste, अच्छा है, बहुत मजेदार है. Argentinian prime steak home. Austria, Vienna.
Vienna.
Okay.
So he speaks Hindi as well. He's from Tajikistan and you guys should come to his restaurant. The walk around Schloss Palace is must because here you will be walking through beautiful trees as well as lots and lots of flowers. So this is a must visit place in my opinion. Now I'm standing at Roman ruins inside the Schloss Palace. So I'm now in Start Park. In Start Park you will find several Austrian artist sculptures just like this one. So now I am in Burggarten, and it is also a famous spot that you should visit. There are lots of people sitting on the grass enjoying. Now I am in Burggarten, and here you can see the statue of Mozart, the famous composer from Austria, who was born in Salzburg. Dance by the Danube. You can see how people are enjoying here. So when in Vienna you must visit this place for sure. It's night 11, but still you can see how much crowd it is. If you guys like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.